So we got the 3D printed gun that we put through the stress test yesterday. Again, it got about 3 mags, 90 rounds put through it. I even shouldered it a few times. It's got the upper build on it. Since it passed the stress test, we went ahead and put a Vortex 1-4 scope on it. It's got the nice little action right here. Everything's pretty sturdy. Feels good to shoulder, which I like, obviously. It's good to shoulder. So yeah, today we're going to be painting it. I did a couple of test patterns on some of these mags. I'm going for something maybe like this. So I'm going to tape this off real quick, and then I will be back when we're painting. Okay, so this is like a MacGyver like setup, so you know, just bear with us here. I'm not gonna paint the barrel of this. It is black. Unfortunately, I was kind of hoping to go for white, but we don't have any high heat resistant paint, so we're just gonna leave it black. So that's why I have it like this. I did tape off the trigger. On this side, obviously you can see what I taped off on the scope, and then if you come over here on this side, we taped off that as well, and that's really all we needed to tape off on this gun. So this should be fun. Hopefully it doesn't come out like shit. Also, once you paint a gun, it's never going to go back to what it was, so it doesn't always have to be perfect. That's my motto. All right, so another thing I forgot to mention last time is you obviously don't want to get any paint in your mag well, so you can tape that off, or you can just put a mag in there. Wasn't happy with this one, so I put it in there. And then for some texture, we're gonna use a crab net. So this should be fun. I'm gonna start with some etching, which is kind of like this grayish color. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. And again, I don't really have a plan, so we're just gonna see how it goes. And then, it doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, we're going to put a few layers on. And then I think I am going to go for more of like a white, although my barrel will be black, just because it's winter and winter is coming. Sorry, Game of Thrones. All right. Actually, so the spray paint made the 3D lower look way cooler. So that's a plus. Probably get a little bit more on that handle and this side of the scope. All right, let's do some white. So we have the etching on, which is going to help the paint stick a little bit better, and I'm actually really liking the color of it. It's almost like a grayish color, but we are gonna go in with some heavy white, like I said, just because it is winter. Then I'll probably go in a little bit with some camo and black with our crab net to put texture on. And it's cold in here, so bear with me. That's what she said. don't want to hit all of it with super heavy white. Just so it leaves a little bit of room for us to give it some texture. And there goes our vortex symbols, but that's okay. Okay, so now that I have the white on here, I'm actually liking kind of how it is, but again, I do want to put a little bit of texture on it, especially for the terrain that I typically go out in. So we're just going to put some spots of camo, and then we'll put the black texture over it, and I hope it comes out good, and if it doesn't, again, it'll probably be off in a couple weeks and I can just try again. I have to be very strategic with where I place this, so let's see. Do a little bit up here. A little bit on the scope. All right, like hints of camo, you know, maybe a little bit here. And then we'll put our texture with the black. We will be right back. Now we are doing the favorite part, well, my favorite part, which is adding the texture. So again, I have this crab net. Why? I don't know, but I'm going to put a little bit of texture on it with black. I don't want to go in too much with the black because I don't want to take away from the white that's on there. But yeah, we'll see. I can't decide if I want to do like small sections or should we just go like right across and see how this comes out. Let's try it. That's not going to work because I can't get it flush with the scope. So we're going to do this. Hold on. All right, and then let's see, let's put some up here. All right, I gotta put some on the scope, right? All right, let's see. Should we do? Kind of want to put some like right here. All right, let's see if we can go straight across up here. Yeah! I don't know, but I think it looks cool. All right, let's see if we can get the top of the scope. Boom. All right, let me get this front side finished and then we'll flip around and do the back side. side with a little bit of green camo, and we're gonna try to get the other side, or this side as good as I got the other side, but you know, things happen every once in a while. Let's see, where do I want to go? I think I need to put like some right here. Perfect. Okay, let's get this side of the scope. Let's put some up here. Got some of the rail, some of the scope. Let's get this little corner up here. And my thumb, apparently. All right, yeah, let's get the... Sorry guys, this requires lots of moving around. All right, let's see. I do not like how that came out. I think I hit it too much at an angle. It's okay. Like we said, doesn't have to be perfect. All right, let's do some up here. Did I do two? I think I did more black on this side than the other side, but I'm not unhappy. I do kind of want to cover that one black spot with some more white. All right, I am satisfied again. All right guys, so this is the finished product. We got the tape off. I put on some white camo for you guys so you can see it blends in a little bit. It's also supposed to snow tonight, so we might come back out later, try to film. Yeah, I was just gonna shoulder it for you guys. Kind of see how it blends in with my camo. We got the scope. Overall, I'm really satisfied, and I can't wait to come out later and shoot it in the snow.